Alright, nagbabalik ang schoolmates. Okay, James, so sa dami ng ating napag-usapan, ano ang takeaways? So back to you to. Takeaways mo for this episode.
Alam mo,
Go.
sa sobrang dami kong natutunan for today's episode, I think hanggang pagtanda ko, dala ko siya.
Ganun kadami. Okay,
Yeah, well,
go.
I think I realized no, sa episode natin ngayon, opportunity do not simply appear.
Yes.
They are created by those who are willing to help, those who are willing to collaborate and also to take action. And I think the greatest opportunity na meron ng ASEAN and NYC is not just its economic and technology. It's also the young people. If the young people choose to learn continuously and I think lead with integrity and build connection across the borders, I think it could be a driving force to have a stronger and more united ASEAN.
I love that. Ito naman yung takeaway ko kasi marami na nasabi si James. So, ito. So, balik ako sa bubble mindset ng mga kabataan ngayon. Kapag nadidisillusion kasi tayo sa nakikita natin sa gobyerno, sa bansa, di ba? Parang bumabalik yung kabataan sa, what's in it for me? Anong kailangan kong gawin? So, parang yun yung challenge sa mga kabataan ngayon na we're all about self-improvement. Ano yung pwede kong gawin to keep up with the times? I think wag natin iwala yung looking out for others. Diba? Kasi, syempre, as you grow older and parang sinasabi nila na yung idealistic spirit only exists when you have not seen the real world.
Yeah.
All the more reason that we should be brave enough na talagang puntahan itong mga tao na may mga pangangailangan, live through their truths, and syempre, partake in not just in dialogues, no, but really taking action. Kasi iba yung, sinasabi mo din, Yusek, kanina, di ba, na di maliit lang yung impact nito, ito pa lang yung nagagawa namin. But yung maliit na impact na yun, it could have changed the life of one.
Correct.
And with that, they will carry the torch forward. And yun yung sa tingin ko, maganda dun sa sinabi mo about NYC na inclusivity is the first step. You inspire them to take action in the next, and then you leave with a legacy for the next generation, di ba? And sana yung next generation ay better voters, better choices, diba? And
Yes.
better leaders. Kasi you can't change a system if you're not part of it. So bago tayo, di ba, pag-aalsa, lumabas sa mga streets, sumama ka din. Diba? Makiisa ka din doon sa mga activities. Makiisa ka din sa taking action and
Yes.
creating the voice for others. Because creating voice, not just noise, dapat yung gagawin ng mga kabataan yan. And I do love na marami tayong initiative. Sana makilahok kayo. And wag nyo siyang titigan lang. Pumunta kayo sa websites ng NYC. Really click that button. Mag-apply kayo and take your chance. Kasi nga, opportunity does not just appear. You have to take part in it. So, yun lang. Kaya naman, maraming salamat kay Yusek, no?
Maraming
Kay
salamat
Yusek
po,
Jeff.
sir.
Ayan. So, pero syempre, no, maraming salamat sa BP Studios.
Thank you so much
always
po,
been
BP
with
Studios.
us. I needed to pause BP Studios, yeah, who's always been with us in every episode. And of course, sa inyo mga schoolmates na nanonood ngayon. So sana samahan nyo kami at makita namin kayo sa activities ng NYC. And with that, sa About Usapin sa About Issue, may boses tayong mga kabataan.
Sumali, makinig at makiisa dahil ang bawat boses natin ay mahalaga.
Kaya naman, sabay-sabay nating isigaw sa buong mundo, schoolmates,
May pakialam ka!
Thank you so much!
Thank you, Yusek. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.